Google Data Analytics Professional Certification Practice Questions, Set 3. Question 1. Which function in Excel is used for counting cells? A. Sum. B. Count. C. Average. D. Max. The correct answer is B. Count. The count function counts the number of cells with numbers. Question 2. What is the main purpose of data preprocessing? A. To visualize the data. B. To clean and transform data. C. To perform statistical analysis. D. To store data in a database. The correct answer is B. To clean and transform data. Data preprocessing cleans and transforms raw data into a usable format. Question 3. Which of these is an example of qualitative data? A. Height of employees. B. Sales revenue. C. Customer satisfaction survey responses. D. Product quantities. The correct answer is C. Customer satisfaction survey responses. Qualitative data involves categories, such as survey responses or opinions. Question 4. What is mean in descriptive statistics? A. Median. B. Mode. C. Average of the data. D. Range. The correct answer is C. Average of the data. The mean is the sum of data points divided by the number of points. Question 5. What does SQL's join clause do? A. Combines data from multiple tables. B. Filters data based on conditions. C. Updates data in a table. D. Sorts data. The correct answer is A. Combines data from multiple tables. Join combines rows from two or more tables based on related columns. Question 6. Which type of chart is used for showing trends over time? A. Pie chart. B. Bar chart. C. Line chart. D. Histogram. The correct answer is C. Line chart. Line charts are ideal for visualizing data trends over time. Question 7. What is the purpose of data cleaning? A. To store data. B. To remove irrelevant or inaccurate data. C. To analyze data trends. D. To visualize data. The correct answer is B. To remove irrelevant or inaccurate data. Data cleaning involves removing or correcting errors in the data. Question 8. What is a common method to handle missing data? A. Remove the entire dataset. B. Replace with a placeholder value. C. Replace with mean, median, or mode. D. Ignore missing values. The correct answer is C. Replace with mean, median, or mode. Imputation techniques use statistical values to replace missing data. Question 9. Which is an example of quantitative data? A. Hair color. B. Customer feedback. C. Number of products sold. D. Survey responses. The correct answer is C. Number of products sold. Quantitative data is numerical and can be measured or counted. Question 10. What is data wrangling? A. Gathering data. B. Cleaning and transforming raw data. C. Visualizing data. D. Storing data. The correct answer is B. Cleaning and transforming raw data. Data wrangling involves transforming raw data into a structured format. Question 11. What does ETL stand for in data processing? A. Extract, transform, load. B. Extract, transfer, load. C. Engage, transform, load. D. Extract, test, load. The correct answer is A. Extract, transform, load. ETL refers to extracting, transforming, and loading data into databases. Question 12. What is the purpose of A/B testing? A. To visualize data. B. To compare two versions for better decision-making. C. To collect data. D. To analyze customer feedback. The correct answer is B. To compare two versions for better decision-making. A/B testing compares two versions to optimize outcomes based on data. Question 13. Which tool is commonly used for data cleaning? A. Google Docs. B. Power BI. C. OpenRefine. D. Photoshop. The correct answer is C. OpenRefine. OpenRefine is a tool designed specifically for cleaning messy data. Question 14. What is the primary function of a relational database? A. Data analysis. B. Data visualization. C. Storing and organizing data. D. Data cleaning. The correct answer is C. Storing and organizing data. Relational databases store data in structured tables, enabling efficient organization. Question 15. What is a dashboard used for in data analysis? A. Storing data. B. Presenting data visually. C. Data cleaning. D. Predicting trends. The correct answer is B. Presenting data visually. Dashboards provide visual representations of key metrics and data insights. Question 16. What does big data refer to? A. Small datasets. B. Massive volumes of data. C. Data stored in a cloud. D. Clean data. The correct answer is B. Massive volumes of data. Big data refers to extremely large datasets that require special processing. Question 17. Which of the following is an example of structured data? A. Customer names. B. Images. C. Text files. D. Audio recordings. The correct answer is A. Customer names. Structured data is organized in rows and columns, like customer information. Question 18. What is an example of unsupervised learning? A. Classification of data. B. Clustering data into groups. C. Predicting outcomes. D. Linear regression. The correct answer is B. Clustering data into groups. Unsupervised learning finds patterns in data without predefined labels. Question 19. Which of these is not a valid type of data? A. Nominal. B. Ordinal. C. Interval. D. Supervised. The correct answer is D. Supervised. Supervised is a learning technique, not a type of data. Question 20. Which of these is used to predict future values? A. Descriptive statistics. B. Predictive modeling. C. Data cleaning. D. Exploratory data analysis. The correct answer is B. Predictive modeling. Predictive modeling uses historical data to forecast future outcomes.